and it doesn't want to come out. Okay, so this one has only like 7,000 miles on it, and the engine filter is not too bad. Alright, let's see how the 7,000 miles cabin filter look like. Well, it's dirty enough to recommend it. Alright, so this is your drain plug access, and your engine oil filter access is here. There you go. And here's your 17mm drain plug. I'm using a 17mm to undo this drain plug. We can go ahead and do a quick inspection. 9/32. 9/32. Brakes are about 9mm. This one has only 7,000 miles in it. This one is a turbo hybrid. This one is 10/32. I'm gonna go ahead and set the tire pressure to 35 psi and also do a tire rotation. 10/32. Alright, so here is the engine oil filter, and this is the part number right here.
That's right!
Do not reuse the gasket. Always install a new one. And torque this guy to the spec. There we go. Remove the locking pin and undo this guy by twisting counterclockwise and pull it out. I'm gonna need a tool to do that. Alright, there you go. The purpose on this step is just to, you know, less mess, drain whatever left over in that filter housing. While we're waiting, we can go ahead and set the tire pressure to 35 psi. There you go. Set all of them to 35 psi. Just gonna put this back so the oil will stop dripping. Then I'm using my 24mm socket to undo this guy. Yo! Nope. Nope, that's not mine. Alright, so remove this rubber gasket. Install the new one. And when you install this one, make sure this guy is gonna sit properly. If not, 9 out of 10, it's gonna leak. Alright, then you gotta line this up. Make sure this guy goes here. There you go. Then we're gonna grab a little bit of oil, apply on your rubber gasket, then put this thing in. Then torque this filter to spec. There we go. Then don't forget about this locking pin. This is important. There you go. And clean it up a little bit. Then wipe it up. All right. Install the engine drain plug cover back. Got two 10mm bolts right here, and a 2 clip. Alright, now it's time for tire rotation. Don't go anywhere. Oh. Wow. this filter, it's not time to replace yet. When you guys install this filter cover, make sure this bottom part right here is hooked up correctly. Right there. Because if this one is not hooked up correctly, you will get a drivability issue. Whoops. Customer can't believe their filter is dirty with 7,000 miles on it. I took a picture, showed it to them, but they declined the service. All right. Okay, so I got a new sticker for the next oil change service. Stick this one up there. Start the engine. This one you gotta press the gas pedal so it's actually run the engine. Then let's go ahead and figure this out, how to reset the maintenance light. Go to search, click or type cluster, select cluster, you look for convenience, and there is oil change reminder here. Go ahead and reset that one. And also the service interval reset. Alright. Shut the engine off. Alright guys, so I did let the engine sat for about a minute or two. Now it's ready for double check our fluid level. Alright guys, so this is low, this is full, and this is where we at in the middle. Alright guys, thank you for watching. You have a great day. Bye.